Hey guys, welcome back to the Detailing Space. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at a new product from Turtlewax. This is their Hybrid Solutions Reactor All-Wheel Cleaner. So you've probably seen this online by now, but Turtlewax have sent this out to a bunch of Instagrammers, YouTubers, TikTokers, basically detailing reviewers to take a look at this. So yeah, I've been able to use this for the first time, use it on the next door neighbour's wheels. You can, before going into this, you can use this on bodywork as well. Most of these iron removing wheel cleaners, you typically can spray it on the bodywork if you absolutely have to. It's the same kind of technology in them. So with this, it does say they've used like a scent buster to get rid of that rotten egg smell that you get from iron removers, and honestly, they've used something that didn't smell horrible when I was using it. Also, the reaction time on this was like insanely quick. Yeah, very, very quick. So try this on all four wheels, and I've captured just two of those. So first time round, we just applied this without any pre-rinse into the wheel. Of course, it went immediately purple. Pressure washed that off, and it's got rid of a lot of the dirt, and then reapplied again with some snow foam over the top, just to help with the cleaning power and help with the dwell time. That's a good little trick there, by the way, as well. If it's quite hot outside, or if you just want a little bit more dwell time with any product you're using, such as pre-washers and especially iron removers, you can spray this onto the car, onto the panel, the wheels, whatever it is you're doing, and then snow foam over the top of that. You get that lovely raspberry ripple effect as well. On the passenger side, I just went ahead and sprayed this, gave it time to go purple, and then went at it with a wheel brush. And it's amazingly foamy and sudsy. It's one of the things I've always been a big believer. I just prefer a wheel cleaner to be a wheel cleaner, and use iron removers if I need to use them later on. This does a cracking job. It is a cracking 2-in-1 basically, and there are some other products that I've got that are like that, but it does foam up really, really, really well. I wouldn't recommend using this every wash. It will get quite expensive. It is nice that it's came in a 1 litre size, by the way. Usually they come in just like 500 ml, and you'll find they usually last just a couple of washes depending how bad your car is. So all in all, really did like using this product. To say, it worked extremely quick. So it's going to be great if you're in a hot climate, or if you are just in a rush for time. So if you're doing valeting jobs, if you're a day-to-day detailer, this is going to save a lot of time. You're not waiting forever for it to react and do its thing. And as I said, it also eliminates the need for a wheel cleaner and an iron cleaner. You can just use this on neglected wheels. So yeah, a bit of agitation, rinse it away, and jobs are good. And of course, those wheels aren't perfect out there. You can see that in some of these B-roll shots. They do need refurbishing, but that's brought them up much better than I expected them to be. So yeah, thanks very much to Turtlewax for sending that out. I can't wait to try some more new products. They also sent us out the Pure Seal, so make sure you check the video card at the end to watch that one. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Share this video around if you know anyone who may find it useful. And as always, if you're not subscribed, click this icon just up here now. And according to YouTube, you'll like these videos below. So see you in the next one.